Hi, students. Let's get started with the subject English, Unit 3, Chapter 3.1, Neem Baba. Amber returned from school and sat down in the shade of the neem tree in her courtyard. She felt that the tree was whispering to her. She looked at the tree and spoke to the tree. Amber, Namaste. I am Amber. I would like to talk to you. May I? Neem Baba, sure, dear Amber. I know you. You played in my shade in your childhood. You may call me Neem Baba. Amber, I have seen you almost everywhere. Please tell me something more about yourself. Neem Baba, I am very old. I was born millions of years ago somewhere in North India or Myanmar. Soon, my family spread outside India. Amber, outside India? Where else can neem be found? Neem Baba, my family can be found in many Asian and African countries and even in some parts of America. Amber, that's wonderful. Who gave you your name? Neem Baba, the story of my name is very thought-provoking. I was born in India and given Sanskrit names such as Arishta, the one who cures diseases, Nimb and Nimbaka. The name Neem is given by the Iranians. Amber, really? Neem Baba, yes, in Hindi, my name is Nim. In India, I have other names Nim, Limba, Nimori, Nimbamond, Nimbe and Nemo. Amber, you are so well known. That is wonderful. Neem Baba, dear Amber, we become well known for what we do. People find us useful and that is why they know us. Scientists call us bitter grace of God, nature's gift to man, and cleanliness parting tree. Some even call us magic tree and the tree of the 20th century. Amber, I know that people clean teeth with your twigs and protect clothes with your leaves. Sometime back, when my brother had measles, the doctor told us to put neem leaves on his bed and make him lie down on them. Can you explain why? Neem Baba, the doctors know that neem leaves have chemical properties that destroy germs. Measles cause itching all over the body. Neem leaves give comfort and do not allow germs to breed. Neem leaves, bark, flowers, fruits and even roots can be used to make medicines to cure many diseases. Amber, yes, I once had a cough and I could not breathe properly. My grandmother cured me with a medicine made from neem bark. And when my father had itching in the eyes, she prepared a kajal from neem flowers, which cured him. Neem Baba, oh, little Amber, you know so much. Remember, these remedies are to be used only by people who are well trained and have a lot of experience. Amber, yes, I will. Tell me, Neem Baba, is there any use of neem for the farmers? Neem Baba, yes. If the powder of neem seeds is mixed in water and sprayed on plants and trees, then locusts don't eat them. If it is used in rice fields, where water remains standing, it stops mosquito breeding and helps to increase crop yield. It also saves the crop from termites, which eat roots of the crop, and it also stops breeding of other insects that eat crops. Amber, that means, if we put the powder of neem seeds in stagnant water around our homes, mosquitoes won't breed in them. This must be a cost-effective method to stop mosquitoes from breeding. Please tell me other uses of neem in our daily life. Neem Baba, of course. People save their stored grains from insects by adding neem seed powder to them. Neem oil is also used to make soaps and toothpaste. Furniture made from neem wood is not eaten by termites. Neem also purifies the air. There are many qualities yet to be discovered. Will you discover them when you grow up? Amber, yes, Neem Baba. I will. Thank you for your time today. Neem Baba, bless you, my child. Thanks for watching.